This month, we commemorate Veterans Day, a day of immense significance and reflection for all of us. Our veterans from diverse backgrounds and experiences represent the very essence of honor, courage, and commitment. They are the embodiment of selfless service, of love for our nation, and of an unbreakable bond forged in the crucible of duty. They have stood tall in times of peace and in the darkest hours of war, displaying a strength that is nothing short of inspiring. Their sacrifices, sometimes unnoticed by those they protect, are the bedrock upon which our daily freedoms stand. Even though not all veterans have seen combat, they all made the solemn promise to lay down their lives for our country if the call ever came. That is a pledge that resonates with a depth beyond measure. We should also remember their families, the silent heroes who stand beside our veterans. Spouses managing life alone, children living with the uncertainty of their parents' return, they too bear a weight that is unmeasurable. Our veteran community is a mosaic of experiences and backgrounds, reflecting the larger tapestry of our society. It is a living testament to the fact that unity is born from diversity. I want to especially recognize those veterans still serving their communities with our Sheriff's Department. Hiring veterans into our Sheriff's Department is not just an act of recruitment, it is an investment in strength, discipline, and leadership. Their diverse experiences enrich us, making us more effective in serving our dynamic communities. The partnership between the American Legion, Sheriff Star Post 309, and the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department is a beacon of community collaboration. Since 1927, this collaboration has been a cornerstone of support for our veterans, providing resources and a network for those who have served and are still serving. Together, we can ensure that our veterans receive the support they need and deserve. We can acknowledge and celebrate the diversity that strengthens us. Finally, we can extend our gratitude and respect to our veterans, knowing that our debt to them can never truly be repaid. Thank you to each and every one of you for your unwavering commitment to this noble cause. Thank you for standing in solidarity with our veterans, for they are the heart and soul of our great nation.